Hey friends, if you wish to create a new user account or profile in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on other users. Click on add an account. Now wait for it to load. And if you say I don't have this person's sign in information, click on this. Okay. And now you can create an account. Let's say I create a test account and name it hotmail.com. Okay, and then I'll click on next, and then I will create a password, and then I will uncheck this box because I don't want information from Microsoft. Then I click on next. I'll give it and surname, and I'll click on next. I'll select a date of birth and all, and then I click on next, and it will start creating the account. This is all you needed to do, and now this account has been created and added. You can go to the account section, and you can also add it to the family app and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.